Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my Soleh students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, Ustaz Sarani here, and it means we are going to learn about math again. What is our topic today? Let's see. So our topic today will talk about 3D shape. If before we talk about 2D shapes, and now we are going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. So three-dimensional shapes is actually all of the things in around us. Semua benda di sekitar kita itu three-dimensional shapes. Our learning objectives is the first, knowing the name of the shapes, such as cubes, cuboids, spheres, and cylinder. Okay, now let's know the vocabularies. So this is the vocabularies for this section. There are cube, cuboid, spheres, cylinders, face, flat face, and curved face. So you can memorize this or you can see this for more understanding about our lesson today. Okay, so we start it. Students, have you ever seen like a box of gift or like Rubik or dice? All of them we called cube. So all of them we called cube. Cube. So this is all of them is are cubes too. All of them. So there are too much kind of cubes. There are a big cube, a small cubes. So if you can find in the shape like this, it say cubes. So this is the face of cubes. And the face of cubes is only squares. So the face of cubes is square. Jadi sisi dari kubus itu adalah persegi. A square or a cubes has 6 flat face. This is cubes ya, sorry, this is supposed to be cubes. A cubes has 6 flat face. Jadi cube itu atau kubus memiliki 6 flat face. What is flat face? You can see this book. So this is an example of flat face. Flat datar ya. This is a flat face. And then each face is square. So all of the face in the cube is a square. Next, have you ever seen like a rock and a tissue box or books? Now, all of that we call cuboid. What is the differences between cube and cuboid? You can see here. Now, the differences between cube and cuboid in a face. If the cube, it only has square face. In the cuboid, there are two kinds. That is a square and also rectangle. So the side or the face of a cuboid is consist by rectangle and square. And the total face of cuboid is also 6. So cuboid is also has 6 face. Next. This is a ball, globe, or orange, or what else, like a football. Now, all of that we call spare. Spare. Now, spare, this is the kind of the spare, the small spare, biggest spare. Spare is around solid. It has no flat face. Tadi saya bilang flat face itu datar seperti like the surface of this phone, datar. And solid and curve face itu lengkung, melengkung ya. Jadi such as like this bottle, ini melengkung. So a spare is only has a curve face. There is no flat face. It's only curve face. That is spare. And the last is, have you ever look at trash bin or the can like this? All of them we call cylinder. cylinder. So cylinder consists by two face. The first is flat face and the second is curved face. Flat face and curved face. For the flat face, it is circle. So cube has a flat face. It is circle. And the curved face. The curved face in the body, yeah. The curved face. The curved face in the body. So that's all about kind of 3D shape. Actually, there are too much kind of 3D shape more, but today we just learned about 4 kind. It is cubes, cuboid, sphere, and cylinder. Your task is in the textbook page 91 and 97. Okay, students, I think that's all about our topic today. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.